Hello and welcome back. We will be drawing a room this time in SketchUp. So we're going to worry about interior, we're going to do walls, we're going to pull up the walls, and then we'll also mainly be learning new things for offset and the tags. So the tags, again, remember they are like layers in AutoCAD, but we are now in SketchUp, so it's a little bit different. All right, I just did a new template, architectural, called it roomed. And let's turn on some information here every single time I do this. So I'll have entity info, tags, scenes. Those are the three ones I like having open pretty much all the time. All right, so you should, or it'd be nice if you'd be so kind as to like maybe measure the room that you're in. Bedroom, office, back room, whatever room you want to do, it's fine. You will be pulling in the stuff that's in that room from the 3D warehouse. You're not gonna have to draw it. Just have to draw the walls and the layout of it. I'm going to draw the room I'm in. You should be using the line tool. I'm going to like move this over a bit and just start drawing it up, right? Make sure things are straight and perpendicular and everything's, in line. You have 90 degrees pretty much everywhere. I'm going to say that wall that's to my left, I'm going to say is 4 feet. Enter. I'm going to say it goes in this way. 2 feet, enter, and so on and so forth. I say it goes up this way. That's 4, then that's going to be like 5. All right, it'd be nice if you measure this a little better, right? To pan, I'm holding in shift and clicking in on my mouse wheel. And this goes in. That was, what did I say? That was 2 feet. I think this has got to be like, let's give this 4 feet. Yeah. Then it goes up this way because it's special. We'll do 1 foot. So this is, I have a closet on this wall back here. It's easiest since there's a wall on the inside to just go up to where the opening is. All right, for the wall. I have a door in that other wall I just drew, and I'll show you how to make the opening for the door. But I'm just going to draw the opening for the closet right now since there's walls and stuff on the inside. So let's say this goes over 18 inches. Right, and then the thickness of the walls are all 4 inches. Right, we're going to offset by 4, so I'm going to make this 4. I'm going to line this up over here. My closet is probably 2 feet deep, so that's 24 inches or 2 feet. Oh no, my closet's not that deep. Who am I kidding? Let's erase that and try that again. My closet is 1 foot deep, which would be 12 inches. This wall back there, if it's double wide, 36, 36, so this wall must be like 8 feet. Line, how far did I make that one? 18. 4. Back to here, click. This wall's got all the windows. Don't worry about it. Right now, you do the windows with the 3D warehouse. Why is that not giving me an extension line? Who knows? We'll fix that right now. So it should, you'll notice, have a solid line on the inside, which is what you want, or a solid color on the inside. That enables you to be able to press and pull things nicely. But here's the outline of the wall I'm in. I have the desk right here. You're looking at this back wall right now. I'm missing the doorway opening. My door to get into this room is over here. Do that in a second. First, let's, spacebar, remember, get you back to the regular mouse. First, let's do the offset for our walls so that we have our actual walls. All right, so I'm gonna go into my press pull, and this one down here is offset. Underneath on the options or drop down, whatever you wanna call that, for the wall. So if you click on the inner edge, right, the actual closed shape, and press and pull this out, you'll see you start making the offset. So I want my offset, I said just before that the offset is 4 inches for the wall thickness. So there you go. I now have a wall all the way around my entire thing. Spacebar, get back, right like that. So the first thing, last thing left here is I'm going to put, why is that still say on edge? SketchUp, awesome. Let's save. Reminds me whenever things go funny, hit save. Saving still, there you go. Let's make our actual opening for my doorway here. So if I have, looks like from this corner down, 6 inches. Where's the end point? Go over this way. Oh, that's probably 4 inches on the, let's do this correctly. So 4 inches normally is your door jamb width. So I'm going to do a 4, enter, endpoints there, go across, there it is. And this way down is like 36 inches is normal door width opening. Enter, so I should see something right there. Perfect. Look at that. And that's, yeah, sure. That's close enough to the room I'm in. And then erase just the outside line. Leave this solid on the inside because you guys are going to add carpet or whatnot, or hardwood floor, whatever floor type you have in the room you're in, you're going to add it there. All right, so look at that. We've drawn our first example of a floor plan. Don't draw your windows in SketchUp floor plan and regular floor plans. You'll have windows. We'll draw the windows when we actually pull up the walls and put the windows in from the 3D warehouse. But right now, next thing we're going to do is start doing our tags. So there's untagged. Everything we drew right now is untagged. I'm going to hit new tag, the plus sign. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to call this floor plan. That's 2 words. All right. And then if you click on the pencil next to it, that means you're in the one that you're drawing, right? Or you're in the layer that you've put out there. There you go. Purge unused, tags sorted in alphabetical order. Who knows what that button is? So we want to first highlight our whole thing. And you'll notice now our entity info comes up. 35 entity, that's all my lines. There's like 35 lines, and they all send this thing. Current tag, we want to change it to floor plan. So I now have all this now. If I highlight this whole thing, it's in floor plan. Could we have done this first? Could we have made our floor plan first and then for floor plan tag first and then drawn everything? Yeah, absolutely. But I forgot to. So I showed you guys how to switch the tag after you've already drawn it. All right. So we also now want to add a floor plan tag to, I'm going to call this one walls. We're going to make a separate tag for walls because we want to be able to turn our walls on and off for when we're adding stuff from the 3D warehouse. So I made another layer here, walls. I'm going to change my scene so I'm looking flat on it. I'll orbit a little bit. And now if we go to press pull, remember it's under offset, go back to press pull. You should just click on your outer walls here. Look at that. Right? So this here is the height of your walls. You're going to make 8 feet. Beautiful. We're not going to do a ceiling or anything like that, but there's our walls. So remember, when you're starting to throw stuff in here, if I click on this, entity info is floor plan. So look at that. Since we pulled up from the base and that was already decided upon or was already tagged, we'll have to do what we just did before and change everything to the correct tag, right? So I highlighted, you see what I did there? Did I choose that bottom thing too? That's a shame. But I selected my walls. I changed my scene horizontal so I can select my walls. So now if I go into floor plan, hit the pencil, click away. If in floor plan, I hit the eyeball now, I've turned off, whoopsies. We're gonna have to fix that. Turned off the layer, right? The eyeball turns off the layer. So nothing's in walls right now. I guess I highlighted too much before. Let's just highlight, go around, be careful, make sure you're not choosing everything. I guess I can change it like this. Yeah, let's do that. Turn that off. So I'm just going to go around and select the things and change them so that they're all in walls for the things that are in the walls. All right. I guess you have to do it this way because once we press pulled from floor plan. So that pulled up floor plan. So fun, you have to go around like this to get, what's that? Change the layer to walls. All right, so now there you go. There's my floor plan. So now if I hit the eyeball for walls, my walls come back. All right, so tags, offset. That's the new stuff here. Everything else you should be pulling in from the 3D warehouse. So I'm here in this office. You can pull in the windows, but I'm going to start pulling in the stuff from on the inside on the floor. So I'm going to pull in desks. desk that I'm sitting at right now. It looks nothing. Well, I don't know. Pick whatever one you can mess with things. Yeah, that looks cool. And put in the large model. Yeah, pay attention to that stuff. I'm going to pretend that my computer can handle it. Better be able to handle it. And you're going to place it in, right? And it's like right there. Perfect. All right. So you're going to go around and add everything in your room that you're in from 3D Warehouse. You should change your material to match carpet, fabric, textiles, and wallpaper. Wood. Wood. Yeah. Oof. Oof. Oh, here's an idea, right? Eyedropper, I can choose that color wood. Yeah. Now my desk and floor are the same thing. So even if you find something that you liked, you can change the color that way. But that's pretty much the assignment here. Go ahead and do all that you need in the room that you have. And that's the next assignment. I would add windows here on the outside. Other than that, oh yeah, pull in your doors, right? Regular door and then closet door. But that is the assignment. Not too bad. Offset and tags, main thing. All right. Good luck. Have fun.